Hello.
guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Explore with Floor. And thank you for always tuning my channel. We just got here in our room or hotel
And what's
in
it called?
Wingate Hotel. Is it close to Niagara Falls? How you
Say it
pronounce
again,
it?
say it
Niagara
You're
Falls.
close. Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
There you
Okay,
go.
Niagara
But
Falls.
up in upstate New York, all the way out west, close to Buffalo. And we just got here from,
We just got from Bronx, New York.
and we were at our friend's wedding.
And we are blessed because, as LDR couple, we witnessed one of LDR couple. They got wedding ceremony. So, you say hi.
This is her first time being here. I only ever came once. It was for one night several years ago. It's beautiful. But we plan to show it during the daytime and nighttime. And also, we don't really know what else we're doing. We're here for 2 nights. So we're going to go around and just kind of see the falls and see what it looks like at nighttime, get something to eat, whatever. But yeah, we had a great time at the wedding. It was beautiful. The food was amazing. Thanks to Alex and Gladys. We're so glad we were part of your day.
Yep.
And they're actually on their way here. They'll be here a little bit later. They're coming up to, how do you say it again?
Yeah, Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. They're on their way here. I guess it's kind of a mini honeymoon for them. They're bringing their little boy Julian. So we're going to tour all together.
So, thank you so much, guys.
All right, thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this video.
I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.
This is a waterfall right there.
Yeah, my God, yeah.
You just can't see it.
Yeah. Ito paganda.
Where?
Ay, sa rainbow. Ito sa rainbow.
What are you doing?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Daddy? I like here.
Oh, yeah. I mean, those would be cool.
Hi guys! So we are back here in Niagara Falls.
As you pronounce it, Niagara, as we
It's
pronounce it.
Niagara Falls. And you can see guys, look how beautiful that's my spot. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful.
The lights are all changing colors. This is only my second time seeing it, and it's still overwhelming. So beautiful. Genda Genda.
It's cute.